Whistle blows on the free possession, and it will find the goal for the second time. They'll pass in the middle, and they find the goal for the third time. And a shot will fall for the Pioneers as they get their... Another pass into the middle, and the Pioneers will find the goal. A pass into the middle, and they find the goal. Pioneers finally get back on the board. Now pass back into the middle, and they find the goal.